my research has always been about media and democracy, and specifically something that I'm really interested in is around journalism and the role of emotion in journalism in relation to media and democracy. I've always been really interested in exploring the question of how ordinary people get a voice in public life. And so for me, the media are one of the main institutions in society that makes it possible for ordinary people to actually have a say in terms of politics, in terms of how they're governed. One of the things that's been really interesting for me to see is how social media have really changed the media landscape, and then also really therefore changed how ordinary people can participate in decision making and have their voices be heard. And so over the last 10 years or so, I've become more and more interested in looking at changing platforms, everything ranging from Facebook to Instagram to TikTok, and looking at how these platforms allow people to create different types of messages, and in some cases actually bypassing more traditional media organizations. One of the great things about teaching here at Cardiff University is that our modules are research-led, and what that means is that you get the biggest experts in their fields actually teaching about the things that they're most knowledgeable about and that they feel most passionate about. So my teaching is exactly about media and democracy, and it's about journalism practices. It's about what journalists do in their daily work to kind of help democracy. And so what that means is that because of my long-standing expertise in the area, I'm actually able to both kind of give the long view of how this work has developed over time, and to get students kind of up to date with the latest developments in terms of things like social media and politics.